Hi, my name is Dave Bergen. We're in Glencross area in Manitoba, and our new home is built with greenstone panels. The house is about 1,300 square feet with an attic double car garage. I heard about greenstone, so I went online and checked it out, and I liked it for the R value reason and the thermal bridging, that there's no steel from outside to inside. It's really well insulated. As far as putting it up, me and my wife together and a brother of mine came out to help. The construction is kind of new to me. I've done some minor jobs in the past, but it's a good experience. It's good to work with. I feel the ice panels are long lasting because it doesn't rot and it's galvanized steel, so it should last for quite a number of years. Foam is really good because it doesn't rot away and it doesn't lose R value. Customer service at Greenstone is good. They're right there when you need something and they answer their phone calls whenever you have questions. I would recommend ice panels, easy to work with, and it's a really good insulated home.